What's the meaning of crumple zone? Crumple zone. Crumple zone.
Crumple zone. Crumple zone. A crumple zone is a structural feature in a vehicle designed to absorb and distribute energy during a collision. The zone is typically located at the front and rear of the vehicle, and is engineered to deform upon impact, reducing the amount of force transmitted to the passenger compartment. This helps to protect the occupants of the vehicle from injury by dissipating the energy of the collision over a greater distance and time. Crumple zones have become a standard safety feature in modern automobiles, significantly reducing the risk of serious injury in the event of an accident.